Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the unique constraint. So, unique constraint will deny the duplicate values. So, all the values present in the column, suppose for a column you are introducing a unique constraint, means the unique constraint ensures that all the values present in that columns are different from one another. That is, they are not repeated or not same or not duplicate. They are very unique. They are different from one another. That will be ensured with the help of this unique constraint. So in a table you are having many columns. So for more than one column you can apply unique constraint. Whereas primary key constraint can be applied for only one column. But unique constraint can be applied for more than one column in a table. So how to apply this unique constraint? We are having two or three methods. The first method is at the time of table creation. So create table, you are having a table name sample3a. So I am having ID name. So I want to have this ID as a unique value. So because ID should not be repeated, I feel. Every one person should have one ID only. So I can give ID, the data type number, then unique. Unique is the keyword to apply the unique constraint. So now let us see what is happening if we create this table. So now I am creating this table. So I have created this table. I have applied unique constraint to the ID. Now I would like to insert a value. So this is a value. So ID comma name, right? Sorry. So I am inserting a value. One row has been created. So ID is 16, name is Anu. I am trying to insert some other value with the same ID. So what is happening? Unique constraint violated. So here, what is the meaning for this unique constraint? Duplicate values will not be allowed. That is the meaning for unique constraint. So the second way, you are creating a table. The creation of table is having many fields. So here I am having two fields. So at the end, you can have the unique constraint. That is the second method. So create table, table name, followed by ID, number, name, varchar. You can have all the fields. What are the fields you want, you can have. After that, at the end, you can have the unique constraint. So unique in the bracket, you can have the constraint. So this is the second method. So same way, I am trying to insert a value to the sample 3b. So this is the second table name, sample 3b. So one row has been created. Now with the same ID, I am duplicating. So unique constraint violated. So the second method is also doing the same task. We'll see the next method. You have created a table already. You have not imposed any constraint. So this is my table. You have not imposed any constraint. So you have not imposed any constraint. You have created a table. Now you want to impose the unique constraint. So alter table, the name of the table. Then you have to give add constraint. You can have a constraint name. Then unique in the bracket, which column you are going to make as unique. You can give it. So add constraint. The same keyword add constraint we have seen in the check constraint as well, right? So alter table, table name, add constraint, then the name of the constraint. This is your own name followed by the keyword unique. In the bracket, you have to give the field name. So the table altered. Alter table, table name, add constraint, unique ID, unique of. So ID is the variable name. I have given that. The table has been altered. Now the same insert I can try. So I have changed the table name as sample 3c, right? So for the first row has been created. So and So I am trying with the duplicate value again. Our unique constraint has been violated. So these are the three different ways you can create unique constraint. So the next way, how to drop this created constraint. So if you are creating a constraint using add constraint, you will be able to drop it at any point as well. So for that you have to use alter table name drop constraint and the name of the constraint. So here the name of the constraint is unique ID, right? So what name you are giving, the same name you can drop. So now let me try this. It's not working. Okay. Alter table. The table name is sample3c. Drop constraint. The name of the constraint is unq_id. So the table has been altered. Now I am trying to first let me see what is there in the table. Select star from sample3c. So one record is there. Now I am trying to insert another record with the same ID. So the row has been created and the content has been inserted. The second content, that is the duplicate content. Why? Because I have dropped the unique constraint. So when the unique constraint was there, when I tried to insert this record, it posed a violation. After dropping the constraint, it is allowing. So this is the, hope you would be clearly understanding unique constraint. So this is the unique constraint. In the next video, we'll see some other constraint. Stay tuned. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you.